Hey guys, welcome back in Coding Bangla YT, and in this video I will show you how you can simply contact your Firebase account or Firebase project with our Sketchware project or your Sketchware project. So let's open your project Firebase, then go on your project settings. Okay, project settings, then you find like this project ID, copy this thing, then click on this app ID, copy this thing, and after then click on this google service.json download. Then you need to simply just click on this, and after then completing you need to just open it. Okay, so in my case where it's go, let me see. Here, let's open it, and here you find this thing that correctly key or this API key. Just copy this thing to this. I don't know why Google just changed the location, but okay, no problem. Here you find this key, just copy it. When it's done, you need to now simply what you need to do is you need one more thing, that it's your storage. So let's go in your storage and let's copy this. If you don't know how to create a Firebase project, I recommend to click on my description link below. You can easily watch the video and see, and you can easily run that how you can simply create a Firebase project with all the rules. Okay, so then after completing, come in Sketchware, click on write, and then go to library, click on Firebase. Now in your project ID you need to just paste your project ID. In the app ID you need to just paste this number, that 11 and something something. Then you're in web API key, just paste your web API key. Sorry, I paste wrong one. It's storage. This web API key, make sure that there's no any gap or anything else. Okay, then click on next, and in your bucket URL just paste your bucket URL. When it's done, click on save, click on OK. Make sure you don't disable this app compatible with ad design, or your Firebase will be not work. So guys, let's see that our Firebase is connected or not. Let's create a DB. It's database db, and add. Here you can see it's successfully add. It's mean that our app is totally connected with our Firebase. So thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and yeah, bye bye.